Good morning. Good morning. It's Daniel Medina, and today I am in North Phoenix, North Valley. Today it's a little bit overcast. I'm on I-17 in Carefree. This is about 10-15 minutes out of the city, and I'm doing an open house at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath today. It's 35218 North 34th Lane. It is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square feet. The asking price is $455. That has been reduced, and it has been on the market, I think, 15 days. 15 days. 15 days. Brand new flooring. Let's go ahead and take a look at this house. There is a community pool. This is a look at the neighbors. We have a nice pavers in the front yard. It's kind of a diagonal shaped home on a pie lot. Coming in through the garage, and then you have a door right away to the back door, which is kind of nice here. Nice back high wall there, mountain in the distance, big windows opening to your backyard. Some cool wood furniture with claw feet. I do carving, so that's kind of interest to me. That's a bedroom. That's your entrance. That's a bathroom. That's another bedroom. Nice, stylish, bright, nice colors, grays, crystal, quartz countertops. This is your master with large bathroom, closets, and dining, living area. That's where most people would put their TV. Big windows. Again, nice view of mountain to back. That's west facing. Pavers here as well. And then this is your yard. So, this is my series on open houses, doing lots of open houses here, trying to generate interest activity while the world figures out what they're going to do. If you have a home to sell in Phoenix, we'd love to get after it. 623-349-2540. Full-time realtors since '01. We will work very hard to get you the result that you want, and we know what we're doing. Appreciate you looking. I hope you have a blessed day. For all your real estate needs in the valley, please reach out. Thank you. God bless.